Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and I welcome you to my important cue card series, and I'm making these videos for you, especially those who don't have ideas on the most important cue cards. So this video is made for those, and it was requested by those as well, requested by them as well. Okay, all right. The cue card is: describe a time you made a decision to wait for something. You made a decision. This means this cue card is in the past tense. Describe a time you made a decision to wait for something. Now it could be like you wanted to buy a mobile and you decided to wait for a couple of months so that there is the new model. For example, you may talk about iPhone, that you had 13 Pro Max and you wanted to buy 14, 13 Pro Max was available, but you wanted to buy the next model and you waited for a couple of months. So you can make any story like that. Okay, when it happened, what you waited for, why you made the decision, and explain how you felt while waiting. Okay, decisions have become an integral part of our life because what we decide, that formulates our life in the time to come. Sometimes it is very hard for us to make the decisions and we decide to wait, and otherwise we decide to act upon certain things. Today I would like to tell you about a decision which I made, and the decision was to hold on for some time, to wait for some time before I could actually buy that gadget. I am literally fond of GoPro Hero cameras, and there was that model GoPro Hero 10 and I wanted to buy that camera. It had certain features which were really appropriate, and these features were according to my working style, and they could be this camera could be very friendly in terms of recording the outdoor videos. So almost a six months ago when I made this decision. So well, I had to wait for the new model, and that was GoPro Hero 11. Somebody told me right after 6 weeks GoPro was going to announce GoPro Hero 11, and at that time I had to decide whether I should bought GoPro Hero 10 or wait for 11. Well, I was quite confused because there were a couple of trips where I needed GoPro Hero 10 badly, but then in the end I decided not to buy Hero 10 and wait for GoPro Hero 11, which was about to launch after 6 weeks time. So what happened during this time? I was okay because I had GoPro Hero 9 and I recorded some videos on GoPro Hero 9. It worked really well, and right after 6 weeks when GoPro announced Hero 11, I was the first one to purchase that camera online from their website. I made the order and within 3 days I received my camera, GoPro Hero 11. I really felt great when I received GoPro Hero 11, and I thank God that I had made a good decision, by not buying, or I did not buy GoPro Hero 10. So that was a very good decision of not buying that camera. All the best, guys. Thank you very much. So this is how you can speak on the cue cards. I exaggerated this. I've got GoPro Hero 9 and 10 as well, but I exaggerated. And you can do it with Apple iPhone, you can do it with Samsung mobile, you can do it with laptop, or you can do it with anything. Now what I'm doing, I'm giving you the ideas, and you can pick up these ideas and you can add your own story and you can make your own cue cards. All the best, guys. We also teach Ielts online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. From Ayubia Forest Park, Asad Yaqub wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.